So here's our HPI BAJA with our alloy metal pull start. That's installed already. The original one failed straight away. This one really good. I'll show you in a minute. We'll just show you the car around here. Then we've got the new clutch bell here with no screw needed. It's a bolt instead. So the screws been getting stuck and you're stuffed. You need a new clutch bell, but this one doesn't have screws. Just use the bolt. I'll start it up now. Let's see. Yeah, this is the original HPI BAJA. Just pump it up a bit. Some fuel in there. Now, the choke up.